Little Lulu, do you guys know this little cartoon? You probably don't. It was an American cartoon in the 1970s. And when I was young, I was called Louie.
So it's Little Lulu, it's not Lulu.
It's just Lulu.
It's just
feminine but badass. It's a good combination.
Your drifter van?
Oh my God. Oh, the stove looks amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna cry.
It does look nice, right?
It
To
does
have
look
the
it's
stove and
exactly
everything.
exactly it. Like that, because you got the counter space and it's functional at the same time.
It takes a bit of counter space, but you have a pretty decent
But
size
this is
one.
counter space too. I mean, I can
You
use it when I'm
as
not
counter
cooking
space.
it.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
It's so great. I got color, I got calm. I even have spices in my spice thing. I mean, that's just a level of detail that's just, I mean, come on, that's fantastic. This is great, don't you think?
It looks great. It looks great. I
Where
personally,
is
when I cook, I don't use a lot of oven, so I would rather have the space. But if you're using a oven when you cook, then definitely worth
Just
it.
wait, you're gonna see me somewhere, I'm gonna bake you some brownies, you're gonna be like, oh, Rhonda, now I understand.
Now I get it.
Now I get it,
Yeah,
right?
Now I get it.
That's actually a little more, oh, perfect. That's perfect. It's a little more space than I thought it was gonna be.
You do that.
Stop it. I will never forget who brought this to me.
They're big enough if you want to get, you know, the little bins from IKEA.
Yeah,
They fit inside.
okay.
We made it.
You
specifically
got it so
for
they would fit in there?
And you have a ProMaster, so you actually have a lot of room here
Yeah,
because
oh,
it's
yep.
really deep. So you can actually put the long
Oh,
one.
I got
You have a
tons
lot
and
of
tons
room
of
here.
storage up there. Oh, she got my
You are-
cranes.
What's the story about? Because Kathleen told me about this, but what's the story about this?
A little girl, she was probably like 11 at the time, and she walks up to me, I was at church, and she hands me these 4 cranes that are connected.
Yeah.
And she just hands them to me. And she was like, and I was like, that's my family, me and my 3 kids. And so they have been in my car. They're always with me. It's me and my 3 kids, and we're always together. It's just my kids have to be with me, so that's how
Oh,
those
nice.
are my kids. So I get to be free and have them with me.
You wanted the little
I
hook
do.
and eye
My little-
for safety?
Oh my gosh, there is literally nothing that you guys missed. I finally have it. 15 years of wanting this. Look, you got 2 drawers in here. Van life is about having less things.
Yeah, less is more.
And the more storage you have, the more things you drag along,
Yes.
and you don't want that.
Exactly.
I love this pop. I love the colors, but then the muted here, it's just, it's fantastic. I'm so thrilled. So this is the toilet here?
So, yes.
Okay.
This one drops down.
Oh, yeah.
And this turns into either a bed or couch.
Yeah.
Because you can use it as a couch if you want to.
And
use
I
it,
will.
yeah.
I will definitely use it as both when I'm just looking at the window at my sunrise. It's perfect. Like, it's open. I don't feel like tight in it at all. Got my Max Air fans. Got my lights. Oh my God. Kathleen, you got it. Like, you got what was important to me. And not that I doubted it for 1 second. It's all here. And I have never in my life just trusted someone to take my money and do what I knew they would know better than me. And you guys did it. And it is like absolutely freaking fantastic.
If you want to put the cocktails?
Oh, there will be cocktails.
There will be cocktails?
There will be cocktails, my friend. I was afraid I'd feel like tight. I don't feel tight at all. And it has everything that I wanted.
Here you have the electrical panel. It's you have everything at 12 volt and 120 volts. Here's the outdoor shower.
I can fit a whole person in here, look.
Yeah.
I'm getting a fold-up kayak. It'll fit in here. Oh, there's a light. This is amazing. Yeah, my kayak will fit in there. And plenty of other things. That's a lot of storage.
You take a little air compressor, you blow the lines.
That's amazing.
Then to empty the water here, you connect a hand pump that we're
Boom,
making
boom.
for you. You connect it. You don't have to empty it completely, just enough so that if the water freezes, it doesn't explode.
Okay.
And you're good. Nice.
That's mine.